Can we watch Netflix for free? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to answer your one of the biggest question, that is how you can watch Netflix free. Now the question is, can you watch Netflix for free? So there are many websites and sites that provide video streaming feature, and you can watch videos and movies there for free, even the ones that are in the Netflix and are Netflix exclusive. So there are those websites, but other than that, if you want to watch Netflix for free on Netflix itself, it's not quite possible. So this is the Netflix website official. So here you will see that Netflix does not offer any free trials, but you can just have the freedom to change your plan or cancel at any time. So there are no contracts or cancellation fee. This simply means that Netflix does not provide you free trials. So if there is no free trial on Netflix, that means that you will have to pay one way or the another so you can watch Netflix and stream videos in it. So there is no way you can watch Netflix for free on Netflix itself. So I hope this answers your question. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.